I never knew this would happen. So I'm pretty excited, and I'm pretty happy about what's happening with me and my family.
O ka mea I haʻi mua I ka moʻolelo, oia no ko ke kaulele tutukane o Walter, a nā ko ke kaulele pāpā no o Aaron I kaha I na kiʻi no ka puke.
We felt as a family, we just wanted to do this for our own ohana. It was a story to tell. Because, you know, the birth of Kamehameha is familiar to most Hawaiians, but not this story.
He ohana o Walter no nai ole, ka mea I hoʻopakele ia Kamehameha ma kona wā kahi aha nei ia I ole e pepehi ia e ke kahi aliʻi.
If he didn't run and he didn't run away from the assassins and whatnot, you know, people wanted to kill him, there'd be no Kamehameha, these islands wouldn't be united. We might not even be here.
Pili ka mole o ka moʻolelo I ka inoa o keia moʻopuna ka waiʻaiʻa o ke kaulele a nai ole.
Ke kaulele a nai ole means the flight of nai ole.
Mea nui atu tu ke ia ike a maupopo leʻa o ke kaulele I ka manaʻo a moʻolelo o kona inoa.
He told me that my name thousands of times when I was even a baby and I couldn't even comprehend what he was saying.
Wahi a ka moʻolelo, ua auheʻe aku o nai ole me ia pepea liʻi mai koku I ke a hiki loa aku I ʻāwini.
All along the way, he would stop at these villages. And the names that we call them today, those names came about as a result of that night's flight. Like, you know, Pu'umaunakea, like Hawi, Makapala, Kapa'au, all those places.
Iwa kine kona dese ana o ke kaulele me ka ohana no ka papahana hoʻolei kiʻi hoʻomanaʻo o Kamehameha. Ai laha ana no keia moʻolelo o nai ole ma o ka hana a keia mau hanaona o ka ohana.
Hopefully this book will encourage people to be more proud of their heritage and where they come from.